This video is an example of how to use the shape import utilities for Civil 3D 2022. The other version years are similar. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new drawing by using the application button and choosing new. And I'm going to go ahead and select a template that has everything set up to import in the shape import files. And it's going to be the Topo Surveys MTLS. You can find how to get this template in a video on how to download the datasets. Here I'm going to go ahead and freeze the copyright statement. And then I'm going to run the shape import command. Here I'm going to verify my shape settings. And you just want to make sure that the feature line settings and the point settings point to wherever your XML files are located at. And then I can press OK. Then you can select what files you want to bring in. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in the Reading undercrossing files. And I'm going to bring in the edited shape files. And I'm going to go ahead and do Control A to select all of the shape files. And then press Open. If I want a spatial query, I can have one on the right-hand side. And I'm going to go ahead and press OK to bring in all of those shape files. At the command line, it'll show you a progress of the shape files being downloaded. It does them one at a time because Civil 3D is a single processing program. And as it's importing in the data, it's writing to a log file that'll write to the command line that you can see what it's doing, what data was imported from each shapefile import. Every time you run the command, it'll overwrite the previous one. At the end, it may take a little while for Civil 3D to redraw everything and update the point groups. And here's that log file location that you can find information about what was imported in. I can type ZE for zoom extents and then view the data. If I want to show the property set information, I can go to the toolbox and turn on Show Property. You can use the Shape Data Manager to view data within the drawing. To do that, double-click on the Shape Data Manager, and that'll open up the Shape Data Manager dialog box, or palette. Here I can see my shape import events, and I can see which shape files were imported in during that event. Under Queries, I can view the query information. So if I want to find the feature lines underneath the bridge, I can go ahead and see the list. I can right-click and zoom to that, and it'll zoom to it. I can also right-click and choose Select to select that feature line. I can see documents attached to various objects. And so I can right-click and zoom to. And then I can select that and zoom to that. And then I can look for the extended data to view where that file is located at. And so this is another data set and how to use the Shape Data Manager for the Shape Import Export utility.